How you going? It's Saturday evening. Starting to feel a bit hungry, so going to cook up some dinner. I want to eat pork belly, but I've taken my portable oven back to the storage shed, so I can't use that. The built-in oven, it's still brand new, never been used. There's no way known I'm going to get that dirty now. So I'm going to do a stir fry. I bought some pork belly strips, basically what we used to call spare ribs back in the day. Chopped it up, got some veggies, chuck in some seasoning, it'll be good. So there's the ingredients. Got the pork all chopped up into pieces. I got some, what do you call them, shallots, French shallots, just peeled and each segment cut into quarters. Chopped up some asparagus, bit of carrot, and I got some chili and garlic. So what do we season it with? Well, seasonings. I got some Indonesian soy sauce, sweet soy sauce. It's one of those thick ones. Kecap manis. Got a bit of fish sauce, which is nice seasoning. Tastes pretty horrible by itself, but nice seasoning, good condiment. And I got some cooking sake. It'll make it nice. So to start, stick some rice bran oil into the pan. Now, if you're wondering why I'm using rice bran oil, there's a really good reason for that. That's what's here. Turn the heat on. Let it heat up and wait. Pull out the exhaust fan so they don't fill the house up with smoke. You don't want to make the oil too hot because the pork goes in first and they're pretty thick chunky bits. They will take a bit of cooking. So you need to be able to fry them without burning them. So not too hot on the oil. Still got a while to go though. Okay, when the oil's hot enough, grab your pork and into the pan. As I said, it's going to take a while. Keep stirring it up. You want to brown it up nicely all around. You don't want to move it too much because you just cool everything off and it won't brown. Anyway, I'm not going to bore you waiting for that to brown up and cook. So we'll turn off the camera for a bit and wait till it's ready. So we got the pork colouring up nicely. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put in the carrot. The carrot's pretty chunky and hard, will take a lot longer to cook than the rest of the veggies. So when it goes, by the time the pork's ready, the carrot will be ready. The other veggies will just take seconds really. It only took really a few minutes just to colour the pork up a little bit, get the cooking started. Won't take long to soften the carrot. Anyway, we'll turn the camera off and get back to you when the next stage is ready. Okay, we're back. The carrots are nicely softened up. Pork's just about done. So let's chuck in the rest of the veggies. Put the whole lot in at once. Give a stir around. Won't take long. And in a few minutes it'll be ready for the other seasonings. So the veggies had long enough just to start softening up. You still want them firm and crisp. You don't want soggy veggies. So we'll chuck in the kecap manis first. Next, fish sauce. A few generous dashes. And the cooking sake. Now I just want to mix them all through. Simmer it down just a little bit. Smell that kecap manis caramelising already. Smells great. This will finish cooking the veggies nicely. That'll do it. Turn it off. Grab a plate. Tip it on. Looks wonderful. Now for the true test. Bit of pork, bit of shallot, tiny bit of chilli. Wonderful. Go ahead, give it a go. You'll love it. Catch you later.